Dear students, today's my topic is board mass, means how to simplify the given expression, and this one is the last topic of integers. Okay, so first I want to explain this one, board mass. Board mass. Here is B stands for, B means that brackets. In this bracket there is a lot of types of brackets are there. First one is a bar bracket, or it is called a line bracket. Second one is a small bracket. This one is a bar bracket, is another name is a vernaculum. A bar bracket, a small bracket, and then curly bracket, and then after a square bracket. That one is the last one. That one is a square bracket. Board mass is also another name is a V board mass. Means that vernaculum, then bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So first B stands for brackets, students. In that bracket there is a four types of bracket. First one is a bar bracket. This one is called a bar bracket. Bar are called line, are called or at vernaculum. It is called a vernaculum brackets. Second one is that one. It is called a small bracket. Small bracket. Third one is called a curly bracket. And the fourth one is, it is called a square bracket, or a big bracket. That name is square bracket. So first in that bracket, first we solve this. If it is a line bracket is there or bar bracket is there, first we solve this bar bracket, then a small bracket. This one is the second, this one is the first, this one is second, and this one is the third, and that one is the fourth one. So first we solve this bar bracket, then small bracket, then curly, and then last we solve this square bracket. Then we comes to off. O stands for, O stands for off. Bracket, then off, then division. D stands for, D means division. D means that division. M means that multiplication. A stands for addition. And the last one is a S stand for, or means that subtraction. So students, board mass, B means that brackets, and bracket there is a four bracket. O means off, D means division, M means multiplication, and A means addition, and S means that subtraction. So in board mass, by using this board mass, first we solve the bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and in last we are going to solve that subtraction. So it is very easy, students. I will take that some example to do that, to do this these brackets. Simplification, we are going to do this with one example. So here is that example, students. Here firstly, in that right side of your copy you will write this. Always you will, if you are going to simplify the expression, always put that board mass. Okay, so one example I have taken this one here. Example is that one, 5. Suppose this one, first example, 5 of 8 divide symbol in curly bracket 6 minus 6 minus in bracket 5 minus 4 minus 3, and that have a bar. Close this one, close this curly bracket, and then after you will close this square bracket. So I have taken one example here. So see this one, here is a curly bracket is there, a small bracket is there, curly bar bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, and that square bracket is also there, half is there. So according to the board mass, first we solve this bracket. In bracket, first we solve the bar bracket, and then small bracket, and in third curly bracket, and then last we solve this square bracket. So first we are going to solve this one, 4 minus 3. So can you tell this one, 4 minus 3, what you will get it, student? Curly bracket 6 minus, first we solve this bar bracket, very easy students. 4 minus 3, whatever the sign is after, before this one, you will not consider this one. This is a bracket, 4 minus 3, this is a minus sign, right here, 4 minus 3, you will get 1 here. So we have solved that one, bar bracket or line bracket, we have solved it. Then after we are going to solve this second one, is a second bracket. First, second is a small bracket, 5 of 8 divide 6. Then I am going to solve this small bracket, 5 minus 1, we get 4. So write it with minus sign here, then curly bracket, small bracket will remove it from there. Then after 5 of 8, then after I am going to solve this curly bracket, third bracket, 6 minus 4, you know that division sign is there, 6 minus 4, you get it to remove this curly bracket. Then after I am going to solve this last one, is a fourth one, is fourth bracket, 5 of, and you know that 8 divided by 2, what you get it, you will get it 4. So I am going to write it here in place of this one, I am going to write it 4. So 5 of, and you know that if we are going to solve this of, second one is a of. If I am going to solve this of change in next step, of change into multiplication. Of is multiplied by 4, what you will get it, 4 of means that directly you will write it 20, or one step you can do, one more step you can do that and write that your result. 5 4s are 20. So your answer is 20 for this case. We take that another example, but doing this board mass. Then after we'll take this one more example for this. Suppose example, we are going to take this example, 10 plus 2 of 6 bracket square bracket 4 divided by 2 plus 6 minus 4, that one is in a curly bracket, that one is in curly bracket, I take this one another example, 6 minus 4, students, this one is your example. In this one, 10 plus 2 of 6 square bracket 4 divide symbol, here is this in curly bracket 2 plus in a small bracket 6 minus 4, and then after that brackets are going to be closed. So I'm going to simplify this one. Here is a bar bracket is not given there. So first we solve this small bracket. Second one, first we solve this one. So 10 plus 2 of 6, 4, division sign, curly bracket 2, and solve this one. 6 minus 4, we get this 2, remove this bracket and then curly bracket close and then square bracket. 10 plus 2 of 6, square bracket 4, division sign, 2 plus 2, we solve this curly bracket, we get it 4, close this square bracket and curly bracket will remove it from there. 10 plus 2 of 6, if you first and then after I'm going to solve this one, and if there is no sign, it means there is always a multiplication. 4 divided by 4, what you will get it? Here is nothing, means multiplication, that you will get it 1. And according to that your board mass, if here is a multiplication and here is a off, so first you solve this off and then after multiply. 10 plus 2, okay, off, here is a off means also a multiplication, 6 into 1, and then multiply this one. 10 plus 2 into 6, we get it 12, and 12 into 1, we get that one 12 here. So 10 plus 12, you get it 22. So there is a lot of questions related to the board mass, students. I will give you as a form of homework. You can do it in your home, students. And that exercise 2.2, that solution also I will attach it with that one video. Okay. Thank you, students.